So today we're going to see how we can customize the call for action button. So here you are in the back end of your Shopify account. You go into online store and then themes, and then you can press the button here, customize. Then you select the product. Now this once applied will apply to all the products, but in this case we'll go into catalog in our store, and now we can select any of these products that we're selling. You just have to do it once. So we'll select the pants. So as you can see here, there's no Goodsize button yet. So what I do is just press the little plus button to add a new widget. And then here you can basically select the app, and you can see that launch Goodsize button. By pressing this, it will launch the button, and now you've got your button installed. And this will be active. You obviously have to save, and this will be activated for all the different garments that you're selling on your website. So if we go back and let's say we select her, now the button's applying on all garments displayed on your website.